cute. Look how cute they are. They're just like, here, I'm going to take a piece of this. Yeah, that was pretty good. I like that. Oh, yeah. Oh, yes.
I guess I'm gonna be getting an interview, I guess.
No, but
Real, what are you doing? Why do you have your thumb in your mouth?
Will he offer him a scorpion? If you then, being evil, know how to give good gifts to your children, just
Hey, Bobby.
hi. Just rolling my ribbon that Carrie stole from me.
I did not. We were shoving it in my purse. So Caitlin wanted to see it when she came, when you proposed to her.
And then you put it in your purse and stole it.
I did not. I just forgot to take it out of there. Gosh. Blaming stuff all at me.
Yeah, the person that records in church and don't.
It is a hot day today. Hot day. Bobby. Anyway.
Okay.
Yeah. So lately I have just been not vlogging that much. We are 3 days away from Florida and I just have a ton to do, so I'm gonna do that tonight before I go to bed. Oh yeah. Yeah, I still have that. Yeah, anyway. Yeah. So I'm gonna clean up my room because it is a mess. So a couple things need to be done before I go because I don't want to come back to a messy room because I don't have to unpack and stuff. So I'm gonna get it all situated. So yeah, I still have to watch my t-shirt and whatnot. So I'm gonna get it all ready and whatnot. So yeah. Slacking on vlogging, I tell you. It is 4:25. If it'll focus.
Mama.
There we go. 4:25. And I heard that vlog today. Talking about slacking right after. Hey, Rihanna. Oh gosh, it's blurry. Anyway, if you see my hair all fizzy and crappy and all that, we just went swimming. So he's over there flying a jet. Hey. Got dinner going on.
Where's Carrie?
It's right here. Hey guys, so I'm just on outside. Just seeing if there's some blackberries, but there's a couple. So, yeah.
Hey,
What are you doing?
I'm gonna go to Dollar Tree.
Sure. Pick those berries, boy. Are you picking them?
Yeah.
Are there lots?
Yeah.
Keep picking them. Pick, pick, pick.
I want to put this branch in where you can get the ones I can't get.
Okay. Right soon.
I'm not coming back there with no shoes on. They are so cute. Look how cute they are. They're just like, here, I'm going to take a piece of this. Yeah, that was pretty good. I like that. Oh, yeah. Oh, yes. This is a good feast. Oh, nom 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 nom. Oh, nom 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 nom. Oh, nom 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 nom. Nom 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 nom. Nom 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 nom. Nom 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 nom. Mine. Mine. That's mine.
Dennis, what
Wait till
happened?
leave me. That's okay. I'll eat all this by myself. Don't mind if I do. Keep eating it. Nom. Nom. Oh, dropped it.
Hey guys, so I'm just on my computer, if it ever starts. But anyway, yeah, I'm just on my computer, and yeah, that's what I'm doing. Nothing much to say, so yeah. So I'm gonna be crazy busy with videos, like crazy. Let's just say that. I'm gonna be so busy with videos this week because I am going to Florida in 2 days, so I'm super stoked. So yeah, and it's gonna be lots of fun, and I'm gonna be vlogging there, and it's gonna be crazy, and it's gonna be awesome. So I'm very, very, very excited. So yeah, I'm just getting some things done on YouTube because I do need to get so many things done. I already got some videos edited for this week's channel on my other channel, the Daily Vlog channel. So I already got some videos edited for that. I got some daily vlogs edited, all these different things. So it's crazy, and I want to get some of these videos up before I go to Florida, and it's just crazy. Alright, so I'm looking over the stuff that I have to bring for Florida, and there's 45 things I need to bring. So many things. Just too many. Too many to actually count. But, yeah. It's cold in here. Why do you guys have the fan on? You turned it on. Oh, it's freaking freezing. It was a... That's right, a bunch of the shaders. Okay, so I need to get up and do a couple things. What you guys doing in here?
Nothing, just planning.
What you planning? Your wedding?
Yeah.
Your wedding? What are you doing, Kale?
Nothing, actually.
Really? Okay, so I'm downstairs. And we have tons to do. All those need washed and stuff, so I'm happy. Almost done. We'll see about that. We have so much things to do. I'm trying to get it all done before Florida and all that, so yeah. Trying to open this. Whoa. That is fast. Oh my gosh. There we go. Yeah. Anyway. Whoa. Okay. Anyway. Got some things we gotta do. So. Whoa. Man, is the dryer taking forever. So, I'm just getting some things done. So, oh, I guess somebody's not even down here. Okay. Back to my laundry again. Because there's so much to do. So, I'm just getting it all done. So, we can have it all finished for the day. So there's a ton of stuff to do. I'll just try to get it all caught up. So, loaded. There you go. So I'll be back down in about an hour to take these clothes out and then put these clothes in and then I'll start up again. Just crazy right now, so yeah. Alright, so there's wet clothes right there. Okay. Anyway. Yeah. So, we got all these clothes in there. Okay, so yeah, so now wait an hour. Okay, so it's past midnight, so I'm gonna end the vlog here. So gonna end it right here. And yeah. So I'll see you guys tomorrow for another vlog. So yeah, tomorrow. Bye. Riri. Yeah, so I didn't vlog today, and it's yeah, I'm very slacky today. So yeah, we're about to go get some dinner. And then, are you taking all the tea? Dad's tea. Yeah. Anyway. Yeah, and did we just? Why'd you throw that at me?
Oh, I just spent 50 more bucks. Alright, let's go.
Shush, where's that me?
You're the child!
That pizza at that end, and the other pizza at this end.
You're sitting there so patiently. It's so cute.
Okay. This will be my plate. Pass them down. We need to turn.
What are you guys doing down here? What are you doing? Good morning, guys. Not really good morning. Like, good afternoon. Yeah. At least not as late as I have been the last couple of days. But yeah, we're getting really busy because we're packing for Florida today. So, yeah. Just trying to get everything packed and all done and everything. So, yeah, it's just crazy today. Okay. Okay. Getting everything all packed. Alright, so I'm going to be filming some videos here in a second because I'm all packed for Florida. So, yeah, I got all kinds of bags in here. So, I have this bag, I got my purse, I got my blanket and pillow in this bag, I got my suitcase. That's pretty much it. So, yeah, tons of stuff. So I need to film a video. So, yeah, got everything packed and ready to go. Hopefully it won't look too bad. I'm trying to put my stuff by each other. May see if it looks like a ton. Hopefully not. So, yeah. Okay, so does that look like a ton? Shouldn't. This is just my blanket and pillow, my suitcase, an empty backpack for Disney World so I can have something on my back and not have to carry stuff. I got my makeup bag, I got my purse, and my side bag. That's all I have. So hopefully that doesn't look like a ton. And I also have my camera bag, my camera bag and my computer bag. And that should be it. So, yeah. Hey, Jessie. Is that your name? Is that your name? There's a dog right under that chair up there. You guys see it? Yeah, that dog right there. Watch. Bruno. Come here. Yeah, I doubt. So I just got done filming so many videos for vacation. So I got all those videos finished, by the way. So I'm gonna charge my battery before we leave tomorrow. Tomorrow night we're gonna be leaving, and so tomorrow you may be seeing a little bit of footage. I don't know. And tomorrow's gonna be crazy. We're gonna be traveling most of the day, and then Friday probably be more traveling, and maybe doing a little bit of sightseeing. I don't know. Yeah. So we'll just see, because tomorrow I'm going on vacation, and I can't wait. So I can't believe this time has come, and you know, it just makes me so excited. I can't wait. Like, you guys don't know how excited I've been. I am just so excited. Like, I've never been on this big of a vacation before. So, like, oh, I just can't wait. And take a deep breath. And I can't wait. So that is that. So videos should be up shortly. Yeah. So anyway, I'm gonna probably end the vlog here because it's almost midnight, and you know what that means? It means there I go. I'm gonna try and stay up as much as possible tonight, so I'll be tired when we go on vacation for traveling, so I can just sleep. That's how it rolls. So I'm gonna try and stay up as late as possible. So yeah, right now I'm feeling a little bit tired, so I'm gonna try and keep myself up. So wish me luck on that, but I'm just gonna end the vlog here. So my camera battery is flashing, so I need to go before it dies. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.